Hi guys, it is Jared Johnson with DayTraders FX. Nice to see you. I hope you're doing well. This is my Money Minute series. So I'm going to spend 1 minute, maybe two, because sometimes I'm a little wordy, talking about one of my favorite currency setups right this moment. So let's have a look at it and see where this might be headed. I'm looking at the EURCAD right now, and I really like the EURCAD for a couple of reasons. The Canadian dollar is getting smashed. So why do I like the EURCAD? Not necessarily because I want to trade more Canadian weakness, but because I think we could see some Canadian strength coming up. So what we have here is we have some very good important levels that need to get hit. The EURCAD has a really nice little level. Well, come here, chart, work with me. Okay, here we go. We have a nice little level right here. We have a nice little level right here. And we have a nice little level right here and here and here. If we look at a 4-hour chart, you can see that these are all high probability targets. And there is a grip of them on the EURCAD. I mean, a lot. So what do we have right here? We have this big double top happening as well. What is that double top? Well, it looks a little bit like this on the bigger charts. And that is 2009, wham! 2016, whammo! And here we are once again in 2018, coming up to attack this level. We keep hitting this level and crushing off of it. Now, I'm looking at these low probability targets. I think we could get there, and I also think that this is a big decision point. So don't be surprised if this makes a breakout to the upside, because it can. It definitely can, but look at kind of the big scale of where we are. We're at the upper range. We've had some short-term spikes above this level. Now, this chart doesn't go back as far as it can go back, but you can see that at least for the last 14 years or so, this has spent more time below this level than above it. We have little spikes here and little spikes there, and then we have the majority of the movement back here. So I like long-term getting short EURCAD, and short-term I like getting short EURCAD. This is something that you can trade this type of a setup against these levels, right? I mean, we've got this high right here at about 161.25, and we're currently sitting at 160.93, so we're about 30 pips off that level. We've got our first little short-term target here, 160.36. 160.36. Our next target is down here, 159. We'll call it 159.10, 159.00. So we're 30 pips away from just breaking out and this thing just making new highs, and we're, a pretty good little chunk. We're 60 pips away from the first nearest target, and then we're like, 200 pips away from the next target. So there's a lot of great lower targets, and there seems to be a bit of limited upside risk here or downside risk of this thing breaking out up. So that's what I'm looking for. Look for some opportunities, trade your system, but know that we are against major levels of resistance, and we have fantastic levels of targets and support and so on down here that is calling this EURCAD lower, and I think it's going to be a really great opportunity. So let's keep an eye on that. If you'd like to see a little bit more of what we do, head over to DayTradersFX.com. We've got a blog. We've got all kinds of great stuff over here. And not to mention, you can get a little bit of a look at some of the free educational material that I'm offering. I want to make sure that every trader has the best opportunity possible to get into some trades and get some, help with making money. I really just want people to have a better opportunity to successfully trade. So head over to the website, click here to get some free access. You can see a little bit of what we're doing and some of the things that we're up to. So head over to the website. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks, everybody. And I went over my minute by a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching the Money Minute, guys. Take care.